One of the outcomes of industrialization is air pollution. Burning of fossil fuels from power plants, factories, automobiles, and other sources releases harmful substances in the atmosphere. Some of these substances cause the phenomenon called acid deposition. What is acid deposition? Acid deposition is a general term for any form of precipitation that contains high levels of sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Depending on the presence of moisture, acid deposition can be a wet deposition or a dry deposition. Wet deposition includes acid rain, snow, fog, or hail. Or it can be a dry deposition, such as acid dust or particles that may deposit to surfaces and when washed off by rain can make it acidic. So how acid deposition is formed? It can be formed by natural phenomenon like erupting volcanoes that releases sulfur dioxide and nitric oxides. But most of acid deposition is a product of human activities. The biggest sources are the coal-burning power plants, factories, and automobiles. When humans burn fossil fuels through these sources, sulfur dioxide and nitric oxides are released into the atmosphere. Then sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides react with water, oxygen, and other chemicals to form sulfuric acid and nitric acid respectively. Then these substances mix with water and other materials before falling into the ground as acid rain. Acid deposition is not just a problem for those who live close to these sources. Winds can blow sulfur dioxide and nitric oxides in distant distances and across borders, making acid rain a problem for everyone. What is the difference of acid rain and normal rain? The difference is in the alkalinity or acidity. Acidity or alkalinity is measured using a pH scale for which 7 is neutral. Substances lower than pH 7 are acidic, while substances higher than pH 7 are alkaline. Normal rainwater has a pH of around 5.6, which is slightly acidic. However, acid rain has a pH of around 4.2 to 4.4 due to the presence of sulfuric acid and nitric acid. This acidity is responsible for its destructive effects. So what are now the negative effects of acid deposition? Acid deposition has various environmental and health effects. It can cause burning and choking of plant leaf pores, leading to forest loss and loss of biodiversity. In the process, it alters soil chemistry due to soil acidification and lead to loss of plant nutrients. The soil will not be suitable for agriculture. Acid deposition can also alter the chemical balance of lakes and rivers, leading to the degradation and death of marine organisms. Moreover, with forest loss, rivers will run dry and the supply of water for irrigation and consumption will be a problem. Acid deposition can corrode monuments and buildings. Acid deposition is a skin irritant and can cause damage to clothes and other materials. What's worse is that it can lead to deteriorating human breathing disorders such as asthma, bronchitis, and lung diseases. So what can we do about acid deposition? The only way to fight acid rain is by curbing the release of pollutants into the atmosphere. This means burning fewer fossil fuels and setting air quality standards. Thank you.